Hello, anybody want to buy me a drink? Anybody? No? Okay.
It is a beautiful day in South Florida, a really great day to be drinking tequila and eating some tacos. So today we're going to show you 3 of our favorite spots to get tacos and tequila.
Our first stop is Lona Cucina in Fort Lauderdale, right on the beach in the Westin Hotel. Let's go get some tequila and tacos, yeah?
Let's go.
This looks like my kind of drink. I love blackberries.
So we have hiatus blanco, pineapple juice, lime, and agave. And you muddle the blackberries. That's what gives it that beautiful color there.
That's real good.
I really like the texture. She's thick, in a good way.
It's always in a good way.
It's true. Hiatus has its own flavor.
I feel like it's very smooth.
It's very earthy, herbaceous.
Cheers to herbaceousness. Is that a thing? I don't know. So I feel like I'm on an empty stomach. I'm gonna need some food next, you know? Hello.
Chef Jorge.
Thank you. Hi. Welcome.
I love you.
Thank you for coming. Thank you.
So tell us, Chef, what do we have here?
Well, it's a sample taco, carne asada, Baja shrimp tacos, and the original recipe, Baja fish tacos from Baja California too.
And what is that?
And that one is a lobster quesadilla. It's one of the best ones, the best sellers, and it's very popular.
Thank you so much,
Thank you.
Chef.
You're welcome.
Thank
Enjoy.
you. Bye. I'm ready. Let's go.
Oh my God, there's so many things happening.
I don't know what to try first.
This is apparently the crowd's favorite. It's rolled up almost like a burrito instead of a quesadilla, which I love that.
Yeah. It's easy to eat.
Oh wow. That's really good.
10 out of 10 off, like everything, absolutely everything. From the bartender to the drink to the food, like, I'm coming back here.
It's a 10 for me.
It's a 10 for me.
Thirsty approved.
Next stop, I've been practicing for this my whole life. We're at our second stop, Casa Grill in Deerfield Beach.
I am so stoked for this location. Highly recommended by a lot of close friends.
She's been stalking them low-key.
Low-key stalking them.
Let's go.
On Instagram.
Awesome.
Welcome to Casa.
So what are we drinking?
It's a cucumba, you know, cucumba featuring hiatus reposado, a little bit of cucumber, celery, splash of agave, fresh squeezed lime juice. We finish it with a little touch, and a little spice of the peppercorn. Voila!
Voila!
Been on a cucumber kick lately, so I'm feeling this cocktail.
It's really refreshing. It's like almost like a skinny margarita.
Healthy vibes. I feel like health and wealth drinking this cocktail.
The reposado, the hiatus reposado is really smooth. It's so good. It's the spot.
Yummy.
Woo! Thank you.
I've never put peppercorn on top of a cocktail like that. It's like a nice little kick when you get some of the peppercorn. And it looks, I love it. And it looks cute. You know we like cute cocktails.
It's taco time. Hell yeah. Recommended by the bartender.
So right there you have the poblano peppers, shrimp, queso chihuahua melted on top. You have a little knob onion, and then on the side you have a nice 5 chile sauce.
Woo!
Just gotta try the rice and beans. Best rice and beans there. Refried pinto.
We're taking shots with the whole room.
I'm gonna do it with you too, okay? Alright guys, everybody has your shot, please. Please, please, give your shot, please.
Cheers!
At the count of 3, everybody, hiatus. 1, 2, 3. Hiatus! Cheers!
For good luck.
Salud.
What a vibe here.
I know, this is so fun.
I love it here.
I love it. I'm gonna cry.
Did we all just become best friends? I feel like we all just became best friends.
I think so.
So we absolutely love this place. All of those recommendations to come here, y'all know what you're talking about.
I just feel like I'm part of the family. It's family owned. The dad works here, the son works here, the aunt works here, the nephew works here. Like I'm not even exaggerating. Like literally the whole family.
And y'all adopt us?
Yeah, can we like work here? I don't know. We're not family, so probably not. If you're ever at Deerfield Beach, you could just walk on over to Casa and have yourself some tequila and tacos. Yeah. You can thank us later.
On to the next stop.
Amazing! We are at our last and final stop, Naked Taco.
So this is located in Coconut Creek, Florida. It's in this nice little plaza. It's called the Promenade. They have a lot of different bars and shops and restaurants.
Movie theater.
It's a good time here.
It's fun.
Yeah.
You can like, you know, bar hop or whatever you want to do. All right, let's go.
Let's go inside.
Eat some tacos and tequila, yeah? Birra tacos. These are authentic from Mexico, okay?
It's very savory, very tender. The meat is very soft. And then when you dip it, it's like juicy. Like, Okay, so they have a cocktail for every kind of hiatus here. They have one for the silver repo, añejo, and we're gonna try them all.
For the añejo, I did the like an old fashioned, so it's got the muddled cherry, dark cherry, and then an orange. We use Cointreau instead of bitters. I also have for the blanco ginger rosemary, so a house-made rosemary syrup with a ginger canton. And then for the reposado, we did a jalapeno watermelon. So all fresh, and it's gonna be so exciting.
And you made all of these yourself?
Yeah. Yes.
Wow, amazing. Let's try it.
Can't wait to try these.
Start, shall we? Nothing like a house-made syrup. They've got a house-made rosemary syrup in there.
Try it.
You had me at homemade.
Oh my god. That rosemary though, really good.
Is it herbaceous?
I'm feeling like it's herbaceous.
Okay, wow.
Look at that salt rim.
This cocktail is called the spicy watermelon. And it is just that. Spicy and watermelon. It is perfect. I'm obsessed.
Kind of tastes like Mexican candy.
It does.
Yes.
It's a watermelon Mexican candy.
Yes.
This
Bomb.
is so good. So this is an old fashioned made with the añejo hiatus. And it's really good.
I love old fashions.
My kind of old fashioned.
Right. If you haven't tried a tequila old fashioned, you are slipping, okay? Because they're delicious. We came, we drank, we conquered.
We ate and I love you so much. I got some to-go food.